Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic farmhouse home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic farmhouse home decor is a warm, elegant decorating style that blends rustic farmhouse charm with soft vintage elegance. It feels cozy and lifting, yet defiant and romantic, perfect for someone who loves antique character without heavy rustic roughness. Since you are deeply passionate about vintage, cottage, and farmhouse styles, this decor sits beautifully at the crossroads of all your favorite aesthetics. Fantastic farmhouse decor combines old world charm, antique and vintage touches, farmhouse warmth, natural wood and simplicity, thick softness, light colors and elegant details. The result is a home that feels timeless, graceful and welcoming. Furniture style displays wooden tables and cabinets. Use antique dressers repurposed as sideboards or vanities. Use slip-covered sofas in linen or cotton. Curved legs, curved details, and aged finishes. Furniture should look collected over time, not bought all at once. Decorative elements: vintage mirrors with ornate or weathered frames, enamel art, ceramic pictures, and iron accents. Use lace, crochet, and embroidered textiles, glass jars, cloths, and antique bottles. Use old books, trunks, and wooden crates. Each piece should tell a quiet story. Textiles and fabrics: use linen, cotton, muslin, and burlap. Floral or tall patterns: use ruffles, soft plates, and subtle embroidery. Layered rugs for warmth and charm. Soft textures are essential for the chic feel. Lighting: candelabras with a vintage or farmhouse look. Use lantern-style pendants. Table lamps with fabric shades. Warm, gentle lighting, never too bright. Lighting should create a romantic, cozy glow. Finishing touches: fresh or dried flowers. Use lavender, roses, and eucalyptus. Use natural elements like wicker baskets and wooden trays. Gently etched metals like brass, bronze, and iron. Nothing should feel overly polished. Imperfection is beauty here. Overall feel: fantastic farmhouse decor feels cozy but elegant, rustic yet defiant, nostalgic but timeless, soft, feminine, and welcoming. It is perfect for cottages, country homes, or even modern houses that want old soul charm. Fantastic farmhouse is not just a look, it is a layered decorating philosophy that balances history, softness, and rustic comfort. The soul of the style: this style celebrates time-honored beauty. Nothing looks brand new. Gentle elegance, never heavy or harsh. Everything comfort, livable, not showy. Unlike rustic farmhouse, it avoids rough, dark oats. Unlike pure vintage, to avoid clutter, the goal is calm, crowded charm. Authentic vintage fast vintage inspired. Two fantastic farmhouse homes mix authentic antiques on a 2 key pages per room. Vintage inspired furniture, new items with aged finishes. This balance keeps the home practical while still feeling soulful. Rule of thumb: on statement antique plus 2 simple supporting pages. Wood and surface finishes: whitewashed wood, softly distressed oak or pine. Use lime-washed walls. Painted furniture with sharp edged. Marble or vodka block accents in kitchens. Avoid glossy finishes. Matte and chalky textures are essential. Walls and architectural details. Walls are part of the decor. Use shiplap painted soft white or cream. Baseboard or wainscoting. Vintage wallpaper. Use small florals and faded prints. Plaster or textured paint finishes. Even on feature wall can define the interior space. Layering the secret to the chic look. Layering makes this style feel rich and intentional. Use rugs over rugs, table runners over tablecloths, lace curtains under linen jumps, throw layered on sofas and beds. Everything should feel softly abundant, not cluttered. Kitchen styling. Vintage farmhouse kitchens are open and airy, display friendly, practical but romantic. Key elements: open shelves with stacked dishes, enamel art, glass jars, and crockery. Use antique trade boxes, wooden cutting boards as decor, soft brass or porcelain knobs. This is especially perfect for small kitchens, a topic you already love. Bedroom atmosphere. Bedrooms should feel romantic and restful. Use iron or curved wooden weights, creeps white bedding with lace or ruffles, coils or crocheted blankets. Use antique nightstands, soft floral cushions. The look whispers, never shouts. Accessories with meaning. Every accessory should feel collected, not styled, useful, not purely decorative. Examples: old keys in a glass bowl, vintage frames with faded art, wooden trays with candles and books, antique clocks or skulls. Less quantity, more character. Seasonal adaptability. This style transitions beautifully through seasons. Spring, use florals and light linens. Summer, use cotton, white cotton and open windows. Autumn, use warm neutrals and tight fit. Winter, use quilts, lanterns, and soft candlelight. The base stays neutral, accessories change. Common mistakes to avoid: over distressing everything, using dark heavy furniture, too many bold patterns, modern shiny decor pieces, turning the home into a store display. A well-done vintage farmhouse home feels calm, graceful, lived-in, timeless, and emotionally warm. It is a home that invites you to slow down. This style about quiet luxury, through simplicity. It doesn't rely on expensive items. It relies on patina, balance, and feeling. Emotional design. Why it feels so special? Fantastic farmhouse homes feel calm and grounding, softly nostalgic, safe and welcoming, feminine yet timeless. The decor tells a story of solo living, handmade beauty, and gentle elegance, perfect for creating a peaceful home atmosphere. Patina over perfection. Patina is essential, own aged on furniture, faded paint, layers, slight imperfections in ceramics, wrinkles in linen fabrics. New but perfect items break the illusion. Everything should feel touched by time. Furniture proportions and scale. This style favors medium scale furniture, never bulky. Slim legs instead of boxy bases. Curved silhouettes. Use open visual space underneath furniture. This keeps rooms feeling airy and romantic, especially in cottages and small homes. The power of white, but not pure white. Instead of bright white, use antique white, soft fabric, linen white, creamy off-whites. Layer multiple whites together to create depth without coldness. While art and storytelling, art should feel personal. Use botanical prints, vintage landscapes, faded portraits, old handwritten letters or music sheets. Use mismatched frames with similar tones for cohesion. Styling surfaces like a designer for tables, shelves, and consoles. Work in groups of three. Make sides tall, medium, and low. Combine height plus soft textures. Leave breathing space. Examples: old books plus candles plus small vase. Flooring choices best options. Natural oat or distressed oat looking flooring. Use stone or tile with edged patterns. Beaded or flat wave rugs. Use layered rugs for warmth. Avoid glossy tiles or ultra modern patterns. Windows and soft light. Windows are kept gentle. Shade lace or cotton curtains. Use light filtering linens. Tie backs in a state of heavy rods. Let natural light soften the room. It is essential for this style. Scent and sound, often forgotten to complete the atmosphere. Lavender, vanilla, rose, or fresh linen scents. Quiet spaces with minimal visual noise. A fantastic farmhouse home appeals to all senses. Styling rules soft contrast, a state of bold contrast. Light wood vase, cream walls, linen fabrics vase, iron hardware, white ceramics, vase dark oak trays. Everything contrasts gently, never sharply. The ultimate goal, a true vintage chic farmhouse home should feel beautiful, lightful, graceful, collected over time, emotionally comforting. It is not about trends, it is about timeless living. This style is less about decoration and more about creation. Every item should feel intentional, gentle, and emotionally warm. The philosophy, solo living design, vintage chic farmhouse decor reflects a slower way of life, handmade over mass product, natural aging over artificial shine, comfort over perfection, memory over trend. Your home should feel like a place where time moves gently. Color harmony, beyond the basics, instead of a single color scheme, use soft tonal harmony, layer warm whites with peace and cream. Add whispers of shades, dusty blue, or muted blush. Use weathered wood tones for grounding. Never use sharp black. Choose charcoal, antique iron, or soft bronze instead. Fabrics as a design language. Fabrics define the style more than furniture. Use stone-washed linen curtains, cotton slip covers with relaxed shims, hand-crocheted throws, quilted bedspreads. Wrinkles are welcome. Iron perfection feels wrong here. Antique plus minus status. Too many antiques create heaviness. Use this formula. On height speed per room, like cabinet, table, and mirror. Support it with simpler, quieter items. Let antiques breathe, with a space around them. This keeps the home elegant, not cluttered. Kitchen as the heart of the home. Fantastic farmhouse kitchens feel lived in. Display efficient dishes, mix white ceramics with wood, hang copper or iron utensils. Use fabric runners in a state of plastic mats. Beauty and function must coexist. Bedroom styling secrets. A fantastic farmhouse bedroom should feel like a European country retreat with layered white bedding, lace trimmed pillows, antique bedside lamps, wooden beams at the foot of the bed. Soft lighting is more important than decor quantity. Bathroom details often overlooked. Even bathrooms can follow this style. Vintage style mirrors, open shelving with shawl towels, glass jars for soaps and cotton, soft floral or striped textiles. Avoid ultra-modern fixtures if possible. Styling with negative space. Empty space is part of the design. Not every wall needs art. Not every shelf needs objects. Let furniture shapes stand out. This is what makes this style feel chic, not busy. Designer rule: if it feels loud, remove one thing. Fantastic farmhouse decor is quiet and soft. If something feels too bold, shiny, or modern, it doesn't belong. A perfectly styled fantastic farmhouse home feels graceful but relaxed, old but never tried, simple but soulful, elegant without effort. It is a home you feel, not just see. How this style is gracefully. One reason this style is timeless, scratches and character. Fading enhances beauty. War looks intentional, unlike modern decor, to improve with time. Fantastic farmhouse decor is not about impressing guests. It is about comfort, memory, softness, and home. This is why people fall deeply in love with it, and why it never goes out of style. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.